In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Supercell ID verification code not received on Brawl Stars. If you're having trouble receiving the Supercell ID verification code in Brawl Stars, here's some steps you can try. The first thing that you can do is to check your spam folder. Sometimes verification emails are up in spam folders. Search your inbox for Supercell ID to find the email with a verification code. The second thing that you can do is to use the correct email. Make sure you're using the correct email address that you used to create your Supercell ID. If you're not receiving a code, verify that you're using the same email. The third thing that you can do is to remember me on this device. So when logging in, check the box that says remember me on this device, and this will prevent Supercell ID from asking for the verification code every time you log in. The fourth thing that you can do is to check if you type the codes incorrectly. If you've entered the verification code incorrectly 3 times, you can't receive a new code for 24 hours. Be patient and try again. The fifth reason why this happened is probably due to the fact that you've entered an unsupported email. Some email addresses are not supported by Supercell ID due to security issues. If you encounter this issue, go ahead and try to add a different email address. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.